Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. So today in this video we are going to discuss exercise 8.1 question number 3 and 4. Question number 1 and 2 I have already discussed in the previous video, so if you are new in my channel I will give the link in the description box, you can get from there. So in question number 3 it is given, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So according to this question we have to find out the value of cos A and tan A. So here is the solution. So first we have to consider right angle triangle, right? So first we have to consider, let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle right angle at B. Right angle at B. Suppose this is a what? Right angle triangle, right? This is A, this is C, and this is B. Right angle at B means what? This angle is what? 90 degree. So given, what is given in the question? Sin A equal to 3 by 4. Given sin A equal to 3 by 4. Sin A, that means what? If we are considering this point, then this side must be what? Base. Then it is what? Perpendicular base. It is denoted by B. Let this perpendicular be denoted by P, and the longest side is always what? Hypotenuse. It is what? H. So in the previous video I have given the trick to remember the formula of sin A cos A, isn't it? Sin A cos A tan A. I have given how to remember these formulas, trick to remember. Now look here, sin A. Sin A means what? How to remember? Some people have curly black hair turn permanently black. It should be like this. Sin, cos and tan. We have to consider the first letter S, C, T. S means what? Some people have curly. C for curly black hair. T for turn permanently black. Now P by H. Sin A equal to what? P by H. Now what is P here? P means what? Side BC. So instead of P we can write side BC, and H is what? AC. So in this case cos A is what? B by H. Here B means what? AB. AB. H is what? AC. So for tan A, P by B. P by B means what? P means what? Side BC, and B means what? Side AB. So this way you have to remember this trick. Now sin A. Instead of sin A, what we can write? BC by AC. Now put instead of sin A what? BC by AC equal to 3 by 4. Now the value of BC is how much? 3, and AC is 4. Now let BC equal to 3K and AC equal to 4K. Here I am considering K, where K is a positive number, where K is a BC equal to 3K and AC is how much? 4K. where k is a positive number. Since we know the value of BC, so BC how much? 3k, and AC how much? 4k. Now to find the value of what? We have to calculate cos A and tan A. So to find the value of cos A and tan A, we have to know the value of all this side of triangle. Since we have known only two sides, isn't it? BC and AC side. Now what we have to find out? BC and AC is given. AB. Now we have to find out the AB. So to find out this AB, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So applying Pythagoras theorem, we get, applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ABC, we get, so Pythagoras theorem is what? What is the formula for Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to sum of two sides, that is what? Base square plus perpendicular square plus base square, isn't it? So hypotenuse is what? Longest side. It is what? AC square equal to sum of these two sides. It is what? AB square plus BC square. Now put the values of AC. What is the value of AC? It is what? 4k whole square. AB, we don't know the value of AB. BC, it is what? 3k whole square. Now if we multiply 4 by 2 times, we will get 4 for just 16k square. It is what? AB 16k square. It is what? AB square will remain same plus 9k square. 16k square, bring this 9k square this side, it will be minus k square equal to AB square. Now if we subtract 16 minus 9, we'll get 7k square equal to what? AB square. This implied now AB equal to how much? Root over 7k square. I am writing this AB this side and 7k square this side. And if we omit this square, we have to put this side 1 root over sign, isn't it? Now we find the value of AB. It is what? Root 7k. Now we got all the three sides of the right angle triangle. This what? BC is 3k, AC is 4k, and AB is how much? Root 7k. Now we have to find out the values of cos A, right? So cos A equal to, what is the formula for cos A? Look at here, this one. Cos A, it is what? Base by 8, AB by AC. Write down here, AB by AC. What is the value of AB? It is root 7k. AC how much? AC is 4k. 4k. Now k cancel. It is how much? Root 7 by 4. The value of cos A is how much? Root 7 by 4. Now next we have to find out the value of what? Tan A, right? Tan A. Now what is the formula for tan A? Look at here. Tan A, it is what? BC by AB. BC by AB. What is BC? BC is what? 3k. AB is how much? Root 7k. K cancel. Answer will be 3 root 7. So these are the final solution of question number 3. Next, question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Given cot A equal to, we can write 18 by 15. So we have to calculate the value of sin A and sec A. So here is the solution. Question number 4. Solution. Here also we have to consider ABC, triangle ABC, right angle triangle. Let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So this is a what? Right angle triangle, right angle at B. This angle is what? 90 degrees. Suppose this is A and this is what? C. So given, already given in the question, what is given? It is 15 cot A equal to 8. It is given. Now what we can write? Cot A equal to 8. Bring this 15 this side. It is what? 8 by 15. Now we have to find out the formula for cot A. As I have given the trick for what? Sin A, cos A, tan A, right? But cot is related with tan, isn't it? So tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Cos A is related with 1 by sec A, and sin is related with cosec A. If we take this point, then this side must be what? Base. This is what? Perpendicular, and this side is what? Hypotenuse. Now look at here, tan A. So how to remember? Tan means what? Turn permanently black. For tan it is what? For tan it is what? Turn permanently black. That means what? BC by AB. 10. For 10 it is what? BC by AB. Now what is the value of cot A? For cot A, you just reverse these two sides. It must be what? AB by BC. Understood, all of you? If tan A is what? BC by AB, then cot A is what? AB by BC. Reverse of cot A. Now what we can write here? Instead of cot A, we can write AB by what? BC. And it is 18 by 15. Now let AB equal to how much? 8K, BC equal to 15K, where K is a positive number. Positive number. Now AB, we know the value of AB, it is how much? 8K. BC, this one BC, it is how much? 15K. We don't know the value of AC. We have to find out the value of AC by applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get longest side, isn't it? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is AC here? We don't know the value of AC. We have to find out the value of AC. Then AB is how much? 8K square plus BC is how much? 15K square. After solving, we'll get 8 8 how much? 64K square plus 15 multiply 15 two times, will get 225k square. Now add these two number. After adding these two number, we'll get how much? 5 plus 4, it is 9, 6, 7, 8, 289k square. Now AC square equal to how much? 289k square. Now AC equal to, we have to put here 1 root over sine k square. Now what is the root of 289? It is 17k, isn't it? How it happened? 289, we can write 17 into 17. 17 into 17, how much? 289. So out of this 217, we have to write only 117, isn't it? And this root over symbol will omit. Right? So AC equal to how much? 17k. Now we got all the three sides of this triangle. AB how much? 8k. BC 15k, and AC is how much? 17k. AC is how much? 17k. Now according to question, we have to find out sine A, value of sine A. Now what is sine A here? Sine A, look at here, sine A. How to remember? Sum, as for what? Sum people have. For sine, it is what? People have. People means what? BC, and have means what? AC. So the formula of sine A is what? BC by what? AC. Sine A equal to what? BC by AC. This equal to what is BC? 15k, and AC is what? 17k. K get cancelled, so the answer is what? 15 by 17. So the value of sine A is how much? 15 by 17. Now next we have to calculate the value of sec A. Sec A. Now sec is related with cos A, isn't it? First we have to calculate the formula of cos A. Cos A. C for what? Cos, isn't it? Cos. That means what? Curly black hair. Curly black hair. For cos, it is what? AB by AC. Right? Curly black hair. AB by AC. No need to write this one. It is just for your understanding purpose. Now, if cos A is AB by AC, then cos A is just reverse of what? Sec A. Now you reverse these two sides. This equal to sec A equal to what we can write? AC by A. For sec A, we can write AC by AB. Understood? Cos is related with sec, isn't it? Cos A equal to 1 by sec A. If cos A is AB by AC, then sec A is what? Reverse of this cos A. It should be what? AC by AB. If cos A is AB by AC, then cos is related with what? 1 by sec A. Then sec A is what? Just reverse of this cos A. It is what? We have to write AC by AB. Then sec A is what? Sec A is what? AC by AB. Now what is the formula for sec A? It is what? AC by AB, isn't it? Now put the values of AC. What is AC here? It is 17k, and AB is what? AB is what? 8k. Now k get cancelled. It is what? 17 by 8. So this is the final solution for question number 4. So in the next class we will discuss the remaining question. So stay tuned with my channel. So today that's all. Thank you.